Exposing the secrets of seamless transmission diagnostics with ZF Meritor TransSoft 2.1! In the world of complex transmission systems, having reliable diagnostic software is crucial. The intricacies of modern transmissions demand tools that are not only precise but also user-friendly. Today we're spotlighting ZF Meritor TransSoft 2.1, a tool designed to make ZF transmission repairs easier and more efficient. This software is a game changer for automotive technicians, providing a comprehensive suite of features that streamline the diagnostic process. TransSoft 2.1 is a real assistant for every technician. It's like having an expert by your side, guiding you through each step of the repair process. The software performs several key tasks that greatly simplify diagnostics and repairs. From identifying error codes to providing detailed troubleshooting instructions, TransSoft 2.1 covers it all. First, TransSoft helps with error code diagnostics. It identifies both active and inactive codes, ensuring that no issue goes unnoticed. Active and inactive codes are displayed right on the screen, along with step-by-step troubleshooting instructions. This feature alone can save hours of guesswork and trial and error. One double click, and you've got the installation or removal procedure in front of you, which can be saved to a file or emailed. Fast, convenient, and hassle-free. Need to analyze data, which can be saved to a file or emailed. Fast, convenient, and hassle-free. Need to analyze data? TransSoft 2.1 offers multiple graphing options, making it easier to troubleshoot complex issues and monitor parameters in real time. TransSoft offers multiple graphing options, making it easier to troubleshoot complex issues and monitor parameters in real time. These graphing tools are invaluable for visualizing data trends and pinpointing anomalies. Need to investigate intermittent issues? TransSoft 2.1 has you covered. Create log files and study the problem when it arises. This feature is particularly useful for diagnosing issues that are not consistently present. Create log files and study the problem when it arises. By logging data over time, you can catch those elusive, intermittent problems that might otherwise be missed. Calibration is a key part of working with transmissions. Accurate calibration ensures that the transmission operates smoothly and efficiently. TransSoft makes it easy to adjust calibration parameters, such as when the engine is replaced or new equipment is installed. But that's not all. The software also allows for fine-tuning of various settings to match specific vehicle requirements. You can verify calibrations, save programming info to a file, and then send it for review via email or even fax. This ensures that all adjustments are documented and can be reviewed by other technicians or supervisors. The software supports various adapters like Norrigan, Nixik, Cummins, and Caterpillar, making TransSoft compatible with most equipment. This versatility means you can use TransSoft 2.1 with a wide range of vehicles and diagnostic tools. ZF Meritor TransSoft 2.1 is your key to fast and efficient transmission diagnostics and repairs. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, so even technicians who are new to the software can quickly get up to speed. Learn more and start using professional tools today. Equip your workshop with the best diagnostic software available and see the difference it makes in your repair efficiency. Find all the details and purchase options on our website at balabobby.com. Visit us today to explore the full range of features and see how ZF Meritor TransSoft 2.1 can transform your transmission repair process.